Work with vehicle electronics to help optimize vehicle capabilities. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMO. Manufactured to GMO specification for fit, form, and function. Fit type: universal fit. GM genuine parts trunk lid release are designed, engineered, and tested to rigorous standards, and are backed by General Motors. It opens the trunk on your vehicle with just the push of a button. GM genuine parts are the true OE parts installed during the production of or validated by General Motors for GM vehicles. Some GM genuine parts may have formerly appeared as AC Delco GM original equipment, OE. Top reviews from the United States. This fixed one of the only things not working properly on my C6. These electric door openers are a notorious weakness of the C6 Corvette, but at least replacing them is relatively simple and inexpensive. Fixed my driver's door opener in short order.